While drilling at the South Pole base, a female soldier suddenly saw sparks shoot out from the drill. She quickly cleared the snow and found a metal plate with a Nazi symbol on it. Before she could react, a German soldier appeared behind her. Working together with 3 other German soldiers in front of them, they easily captured the 2 rookies. Meanwhile, their teammates were searching nearby and discovered a huge pit. They tied ropes to an engineering vehicle and climbed down into the hole. Soon, they reached the bottom and stepped out into a large tunnel. Not far ahead, they saw a tall building that looked like the Empire State Building. They walked toward the building. As soon as they entered the hall, the door shut behind them. Then, a group of German soldiers wearing gas masks marched in and surrounded them. An officer appeared. He was the infamous Angel of Death. One man in the group, wearing glasses, stepped forward. He was a loyal fan of the officer and had already been here before. He offered to serve the officer, but the officer said he smelled a Jew on him and shot him dead on the spot. The rest were taken to a lab. Their brains were removed and used to power robot minds. When one of the robots woke up, the first thing he did was order the removal of all Jews. German soldiers around him raised their fists and shouted together. The scene was wild. One Jewish man tried to escape. A German soldier aimed his gun, but the robot jumped through the air and sliced the man in half. Then the robot ordered 1 million German soldiers to board flying saucers. A bright beam of light shot from the top of the building as the saucer rose through the ice and returned to Earth's surface. At that moment, a US fighter jet spotted the flying saucer. When the pilot saw the Nazi symbol, he quickly reported it to headquarters. They gave the order to attack. The pilot fired 10 missiles, but the saucer activated its defense system and blocked them easily. The pilot tried to escape, but the robot ordered the use of a shockwave weapon. The US jet was destroyed instantly and crashed into the ice. The flying saucer kept moving, heading straight for a US military base. The US sent more F-16 jets to intercept it, but the saucer fought back. At the last moment, one of the robot's fans turned against him. He pulled out a grenade and set it off inside the saucer, blowing open a large hole. The saucer lost control and crashed into the Antarctic glacier. The robot rolled on the floor, trying to put out the fire on his body. Then a US jet returned and fired tens of thousands of bullets. The robot short-circuited on the spot. His laser system went wild, slicing through the ice. This triggered a massive collapse. In the end, the robot and his saucer fell deep into the center of Antarctica.